This is what they have in this island, the Gili Air.
Oh, tsunami.
Huh?
Tsunami is what that?
What?
I want to.
Tsunami, ah, okay. Ah? Okay. Bike here you can rent. It's a nice to relax place. They got a diving there too. Every island they have a diving resort, diving lesson. Yeah, this is nice too here. I haven't seen a motorbike yet, so usually they use here a bicycle. It's a cute one there. Amalura. Amalura.
Het is een klein eiland, maar je hebt wel veel.
What they have here, it looks like nothing. You know that is that. I still haven't seen Nemo. For sure we're going to water again. Nemo and the turtle. We have more, yeah. It's all right here. The baby's sleeping. Pink Coco, Sunset Resto and Bar.
Hier kan je toch zitten op het strand?
Yeah, that's how it starts. What is it right here? Restaurant?
I don't know.
It looks like restaurant, yeah. You have massage here, girl. Aloe vera. Very sleepy. Get spa right here. Flamingo. Look at that mermaid there. Oh shit. They have place to taking care of my my monkey paw. From 12 to 10 p.m. I'm just wandering around.
Oh, the drink, yeah, he got done for drug use.
The big thing.